My name is Marcus Lyles, and I'm a project manager with the Aqualazing division. Originally, I'm from Pennsylvania. I came to Texas while I was in the military, traveled around a bit, and this is where I ended my service in this state. I've been with B&W for a little over 4 years now. I first became involved with B&W due to a friend that I worked with at the Department of Defense after I got out of the military. The aspects that drew me to B&W initially were that I got to travel, which was very similar to my military career, and I get to see new places, I get to challenge myself, meet different people from different cultures, and get to see the world at the same time. Most recently, I just got back from Saudi Arabia. I worked about 6 months there on the Sadara project in Jubail, Saudi Arabia. Before that, I was in the Netherlands for a few months. I worked on the Shell Moerdijk project, very successful project, by the way. Last year was pretty busy for me. I was in, I think, 3 or 4 different continents, all within the matter of 12 months. People at B&W were very friendly and professional. From all departments, if there's any issues that you go to for accounting with your pay, they handle it with respect, and they treat you as if you're important. They'll stop what they're doing and get it done. Our engineers, very professional, some of the best guys that in the industry as far as engineers. The training at B&W is very good. When you first come on, they test your knowledge, and everyone's subject to an orientation class where they teach us all about different services that B&W offers to our clients, and gets us to the point where we need to be. And then management takes over and brings guys under their wings, and then we have a lot of on-the-job training that polishes us up and brings us to where we need to be. My coworkers would say that I'm a very understanding and caring person when it comes to each individual's issues that may arise. In my spare time, me and my wife like to go out and check out different parts of Texas here. We like to visit her family in South Texas. I like to do kayaking, fishing, playing golf, and I like to ride my motorcycle. We have a lot of veterans here at B&W, so it kind of feels like a small family, a close-knit team of guys, so you always have someone to go to, bounce ideas off of, get advice from. The atmosphere here for veterans is very friendly. What I would say to a veteran considering to take a job here at B&W is to come and see what B&W has to offer, and I think that they would be pleasantly surprised that it's very similar to what they were used to.